corporate HR teams are spending 70% of their time on administration that AI can now handle automatically, competing for talent, managing expanding compliance requirements, delivering strategic workforce intelligence to boards that demand measurable outcomes. The tools to fix this already exist. This is the complete CHRO guide to the best AI HR tools in 2026. With honest pricing, real compliance guidance, and the legal guardrails most guides completely ignore. The business case is clear. McKinsey shows AI can automate 56% of current HR administrative tasks. This is not eliminating HR roles, but fundamentally changing what those roles do. For structural shifts are driving urgency. The velocity of talent markets where top candidates are unavailable within weeks. Expanding compliance requirements from AI hiring to pay transparency laws. Employee expectations demand continuous listening, not annual surveys. And board-level demand for measurable people analytics traditional HRIS platforms cannot deliver. 5 categories. The best tools in each. Recruiting and talent acquisition. Greenhouse for structured hiring AI with bias configurable candidate scoring. Seek out for passive candidate intelligence and diversity pipeline sourcing. Higher View for high-volume video screening with documented bias auditing. Employee engagement and performance. Lattice for comprehensive performance and engagement. AI at $11 per person per month. Culture AMP for NLP survey analytics and global benchmarking. $15.5 for Manager Effectiveness AI at $4 per user. HR Operations and Payroll, rippling the most powerful unified HR, IT, and finance automation platform with continuous multi-state compliance monitoring at $8 per employee per month. Workday AI for enterprise HRIS users. Bamboo HR for SMB and mid-market. Learning and development. Degreed for enterprise skills, intelligence, and personalized learning pathways. Leapsome connecting performance management to learning action. Workforce Analytics, Visure for enterprise people intelligence and flight risk prediction. Phenom connecting talent acquisition to management outcomes. For tools worth understanding in depth. Rippling the benchmark for HR operations automation. When a new employee is hired, Rippling automatically provisions payroll, benefits, equipment, software access, and onboarding tasks simultaneously. Continuous compliance monitoring across all 50 US states and international jurisdictions. $8 per employee per month. Greenhouse, the recruiting benchmark for technology companies. Bias configurable candidate scoring and complete audit trail architecture. Ready for NYC local law 144 compliance. From $6,000 per year. Lattice, the most comprehensive engagement and performance AI platform for mid-market and enterprise. AI engagement analysis identifies the specific organizational factors driving attrition, not just satisfaction scores, from $11 per person per month. Visure, the enterprise benchmark for workforce analytics. Pre-built HR-specific predictive models for flight risk, pay equity, and hiring success. No data science team required. Enterprise pricing. This is the section most AI HR guides completely ignore. 3 legal requirements you cannot skip. EEOC uniform guidelines apply to any AI tool used in hiring decisions. Organizations must obtain documented disparate impact testing. Illinois AI Video Interview Act. Candidates must be notified before AI analyzes their video responses. Consent required. Data deletion rights enforced. New York City Local Law 144. Annual independent bias audits required. Results must be published publicly. Non-compliance faces civil penalties. EU AI Act classifies hiring AI as high risk. Conformity assessment, technical documentation, and human oversight mechanisms mandatory. The right stack depends on your size. Under 200 employees, Bamboo HR for Unified HRIS and HR Ops. Culture AMP or 15.5 for engagement when the foundation is stable. Under $5,000 per month for meaningful AI capability. 200 to 2,000 employees. Greenhouse for recruiting, Lattice for engagement and performance, Rippling for HR operations. Plan the integration architecture before selecting individual tools. Over 2,000 employees, maximize AI features within your existing HRIS, Workday, SAP SuccessFactors before adding new vendors. Augment with Visio for analytics, Degreed for learning, or Seek Out for talent intelligence. The HR leaders who will have organizational influence are those who transform their functions to strategic business partners. And that transformation is now inseparable from AI adoption. The tools exist, the ROI is documented, the compliance frameworks are clear. Transparency with employees is not just an ethical obligation, it is a practical prerequisite. Employees who understand what AI tools affect them and what rights they have demonstrate significantly higher trust and acceptance. The complete guide, including all tool comparison tables and the CHRO decision framework, is all linked in the description. If this gave your team the clarity to move forward, like the video and subscribe to the AI Buzz YouTube channel.